Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you guys today? Is it good or not? Okay, first of all, I will introduce myself first. My name is HAKIMAH BINTI NASIR from Kedah IML155. Today, I would like to do a presentation about types of Arabic calligraphy and tools that used for Arabic calligraphy. Okay, first, calligraphy is one of the oldest and most cherished art forms in the world, while its practice has faded and in many places. In Arabic culture, the tradition over 2,000 years old continues to thrive with the same beauty and respect as ever. In today's world, where words are everywhere and often taken for granted, Arabic calligraphy stands out, and it reminds us that writing can be sacred. Other than that, Arabic calligraphy is an elegant form of handwriting that weaves in word and verse from Al-Quran, known as Islamic calligraphy. This artistic expression began through the Al-Quran, which Muslims believe to be the direct word to God. Over time, Arabic calligraphy evolved and became what we now recognize as Islamic calligraphy, and it became a way to bring beauty and reverence to Quranic texts, architecture, artifacts, and place of worship. The question is, what is the type of Arabic calligraphy and what tools that calligraphers use for writing Arabic calligraphy? I will go to the type of calligraphy first. Okay, there are various types of Arabic calligraphy. For example, Maghribi, Raihani, Muhaqqaq, Thuluth, and so on. But I will do a presentation 5 types only for today. For the first type of Arabic calligraphy is Kufi. Firstly, Kufi is one of the oldest and most iconic styles of Arabic calligraphy. It originated from Iraq town of Al-Kufa during 7th century and became the primary script for early Quranic manuscript and remains a powerful symbol of Islamic art and identity today. Let me see the example of Kufi calligraphy. Okay, this is the example of Kufi calligraphy. The script features angular geometric shapes, and it characterized by its straight horizontal line and sharp angles. This is the sharp angle. And we have the second example of Kufi calligraphy. Did you see? This is the straight horizontal and sharp angles. Okay, this is the first calligraphy. Okay, we move to the next calligraphy. Secondly, Diwani is a cursive style that developed during Ottoman Empire in 16th century. This calligraphy was often used for official documents, royal decrees, and other formal purposes. Diwani also used to decorate buildings such as Moscow. Okay, this is an example of Diwani calligraphy. Diwani script is known for its flowing curves and loops. Did you see? Okay, this is for the second calligraphy. Okay, Thirdly, this Arabic calligraphy is a popular style and developed in the 7th century called Sulus. The name Sulus derived from the fact that this style from third of the size of other scripts used during the Umayyad period. This calligraphy was often used for inscription on Islamic monuments, for example, decoration of manuscript, textiles, and other objects. Sulus calligraphy also used for writing Quranic verse and other texts. One of the most well-known examples of Sulus calligraphy is the black fabric that covers the Kaaba in Mecca. Okay, this is for the example of the Sulus calligraphy. It looks so nice, and I love to see the unique of this calligraphy. Okay, this is for Sulus. Okay, we move to the fourth calligraphy. NASIR calligraphy is wide and basic styles used by school pupils until the oldest age. This is a basic calligraphy that we use. This calligraphy was developed in the 10th century. The script is known for its clear, legible letters, and it used in writing Al-Quran. This calligraphy is often used for printing, writing official documents, formal purposes, and so on. This is the example of NASIR. NASIR calligraphy is characterized by its horizontal lines and short vertical lines, as well as its round and curving shapes. Okay, this is for NASIR, the example of NASIR calligraphy. And lastly, Rika calligraphy is developed in the late 19th century. This style is almost the same as Sulus element, but it's more rounded and has shorter horizontal line. Besides that, the words or Rika comes from Arabic noun which is ruka, with meaning a patch of or piece of material. This is the last example of my calligraphy. This is the calligraphy of Rika. So I often use since secondary school, because this calligraphy is easy to write. Okay, we have done for the types of Arabic calligraphy. Next, we move to the tools of Arabic calligraphy. The tools used for Arabic calligraphy is reed pen, or known as qalam in Arabic. Reed pen is the traditional tool used for Arabic calligraphy. The qalam is made from natural reed, which gives it unique flexibility. This allows calligraphers to create flowing expressive strokes based on the script the calligrapher plans to write. Using a small penknife and a special wooden board called marker, the artist carefully trims the nick at a precise angle. Finally, a small slit is made down the middle of the tip, just enough to hold ink. One gig, about enough for one grateful letter at a time. This is the example of reed pens or column. I often use since I'm primary school, because I enter the competition of calligraphy. and I will got this set for the competition from my teacher. Yeah. I will got ink, red pen, ruler, pencil, and eraser. Okay. Next, calligraphy is most often created using black ink made from soot, dissolved gum arabic, and water. Because the ink is water soluble, any mistakes can be gently wiped away with the cloth. So we need to carefully when writing using that ink. This is the example of ink that my cousin gave it to me for calligraphy class when I secondary school. It is like a Chinese ink that she gave. So we move to the last tool used for Arabic calligraphy, for writing a calligraphy. Calligraphers usually use cream or tan color paper because it's gentler on the eyes. The dyes used to color these papers were not synthetic, but they came straight from nature. They made rich and earthy tones using ingredients like tea, onion skins, walnut shells, saffron, turmeric, henna, and so on. This is the plain paper. The texture is smooth, not like usually paper that we use for in class. Okay. When I primary school, I always make a practice using this paper. Every time we need to do an Arabic calligraphy, we need to use all of this. We need to have all of this: paper, red pen, ruler, pencil, eraser, and the ink for create a perfect calligraphy ever. So I think this is all for me. Thank you.